Good morning, everybody. It's about 5:30. Got a little bit of cleanup to do still left, but the biggest thing to do is start working on installing the pool. Google. Hey Google, turn on shop light. All right, time to get to work.
So I quit for the day. It got too hot. I might come out later and do more, but not right now. It's coming around though. That's where the patio is going to go. And the pool right down here where I'm clearing. A lot more to do still though. But like I said, it got too hot to work, so I went in, jumped in the shower, got all cleaned up. That's my tools for the day. And I might come back out when it gets a little cooler out this afternoon, or I might just wait until tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. It is just after 6 a.m. Sunday morning. I think, you know, I've got a lot of videos that I'm waiting to release. Well, not waiting, I'm just waiting to edit so I can release them. But I think I'm going to do this one first because a lot of things changed since I've got weeks, several weeks worth of videos. But this way it should all make sense. So anyway, we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But so I'm digging a hole. Well, I'm not digging a hole, but I'm digging. And the shovel method in our hard dirt is just not great. So I'm headed to town. I need to run by Walmart and get some lens, I need to try to find a lens cleaning kit for my cameras. Zoila got me one yesterday, but it's a Vivitar one. And I'll be 100% honest, I don't do Vivitar stuff. I don't like them. I've never seen anything come from Vivitar that was of any high quality. You guys might remember the action cameras that I got. Those are Vivitar. Not great quality at all. They work great for just disposable junk cameras that you don't have to worry about destroying. But anyway, I think I need to get a digging bar too. I'm not sure the smart car was the smartest car to take to town, because I can lay the seat down. It's fine. We'll make it work. But here we go. Off to Walmart and then off to Lowe's. Well, guys, this is why I guess the smart car is a smart idea. There's so many cool things in there that I want to buy for the yard. But it's best that I don't. So now we're off to Lowe's. It's just up the road, so I gotta stop and get some gas first. I mean, I don't really need it. I think I got like 10,000 miles left in my tank on this car, but I'm in town, I may as well. All right, let's get some gas. $7 to fill the tank up with premium. I had like a third of a tank, but that's still just awesome. It's one of the reasons I love this car. Now we got to reset the trip meter and we're off to Lowe's. Perfect timing too. Lowe's opens in 10 minutes. All I I got at Walmart was I got some microfiber cloths for washing vehicles. Mine somehow got weeds in them, and they got like foxtails in them, and yeah, so I'm just throw them in the garbage. I got some new ones. They were only like $10 for the pack of them. And I got some new car wash stuff because I'm not really into the car wash anymore. It just seems like it's doing a worse and worse job, but anyway, it's a whole thing. We are now right across the street from Lowe's. Like I said, they don't open for 9 more minutes, so we'll be sitting here for a minute. Oof, bump, bump. Oh, look at the palm trees. I should have brought more money. Should have brought the truck. All right, we'll go park and I'll go around Lowe's a little bit. All right, well, we just left Lowe's, and all I got was a shovel. It was so tempting. There were so many things that I wanted to get, but I just got a shovel. And I think we're going to, you know what? We're going to continue this conversation when we get on a smoother road. I'm on a little back road right now. It's actually a road that goes through my work. So I'm going to wait till we get on a public road that's smoother, and we'll continue. So what we're doing, there's going to be some changes coming to the channel. Not really changes per se, we're still doing the same stuff, but I've decided Well, I did not record very much at all towards the end of the day. It is about 6 p.m. now, so let's go see the work we got done. This is probably going to be a short video. That's where the patio's going. And that's where the pool's going. Oh, look at those yellow ears. I love those things. They're absolutely amazing. And the caladium will come up finally. But like I said, guys, I didn't record much today. I had work to do, and I did the work. So that's going to be all. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.